here's some chicken in the woods.
What?
Right here, chicken in the
Oh,
woods.
cool. I wonder what kind of old tree that is.
Well, there's a lot of hickory here. And there's some locusts, it looks like. Ain't it? I'm gonna leave some of it. Maybe it'll keep
Growing.
spreading spores and growing, you know?
Yeah. So I've cut these up into small pieces after soaking them in some salt water. These are chicken of the woods. And soak them in some salt water to get the bugs off. Now I'm just sauteing them in a little bit of butter. And I'm adding some seasoning salt.
He don't want to go outside, but
I'm helping stir the saute the mushroom. Little pepper. Okay, it's kind of golden brown. It's maybe a little more tender. That's delicious. It's chewy, but it does taste like a piece of chicken with salt and pepper on it.